Hello, everybody. Welcome to your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this Thursday, April 4th, 2024. Jeremy Crosby here. Hope you're having a great day and glad you're tuning in with us for your TF headlines. We'll jump right into it. The spring waterway cleanup has been postponed because, you guessed it, snow. Who knew there was going to be a lot of snow? Well, here's what we got. Due to the recent snowfall and cold weather forecasted for April 6th, the spring waterway cleanup has been rescheduled for April 20th of 2024. This event still will be held 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. across the 5 locations in Fitchburg. If you'd like to learn more about this and the waterway cleanup, you can check out our website, fitchburgwi.gov. We've got a waterway cleanup section on there specifying the same location, same pieces, just the date has changed because of the wacky weather we had this week. Badger Prairie Needs Network has a community meal coming up this weekend. Check this out. This is what's on the menu for this upcoming meal. It'll be held on the 6th from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Mending ladies are back as well, so you can check those out. Oh, I'm sorry. Those ladies will be there 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. For helping on the mending. And then the community meal is scheduled there at, I believe, at 10 a.m. as well. Regardless, if you want to come out, you can enjoy some great things like Thai fish, beef, meatloaf, the impossible meatloaf. How about roasted potatoes, vegetable gravy, roasted butternut squash, steamed broccoli, garden salad, fruit salad, dinner rolls, turkey, oza soup, I don't even know what that is, Manhattan clam chowder. Sounds all good. No reservations needed. Everybody's welcome. Stop on out at the Badger Prairie Needs Network, just outside the city of Fitchburg in Verona. You can check them out and learn more what they are doing to help the communities in a lot of different ways. Pretty cool place there. All right, turning your attention to the Verona Area School District. They have a climate survey coming out. The Verona Area School District Climate Survey is an important opportunity for the Verona Area School District to hear from our students, families, and staff about your experiences and perspectives related to the Verona Area School District's academic environment, school and building environment, social environment, and student attitudes and engagement, and how exclusive your experience has been, and more. Look for the survey to be sent to your email addresses, and if you are in the school district, have students in the school district, April 8th, that will be coming out. You can join in on a fun biking event. It's called Spring Roll Biking Challenge. Bike Fitchburg encourages you to join the Spring Roll Challenge as part of Earth Month. Simply log on your car-free or car-light trips between April 1st through the 30th for a chance to win weekly and grand prize drawings through round trip. You don't have to bike. You can walk, rolling, biking, riding, the bus, or carpooling or van pooling. All qualify. Are you ready to go green and win? Simply log eligible trips to work, school, errands, entertainment, your round trip dashboard on from April 1st through the 30th for a chance to win those great prizes. What counts? Every trip. Every trip counts. Walking, rolling, biking, riding the bus, carpooling, and much more. First 50 people to join will receive a free slice of Ian's Pizza, first free 30-minute bicycle pass, and free Metro 2 ride card. So you want to definitely get in on the action. And just some of those grand prizes, log at least 24-way green trips, that's 12 round trips through April for a chance to win $100 to Slow Roll Cycles gifts and B-Cycle membership and a commuter rewards membership as well. So, some big prizes up for stake. You're probably going to want to check that out. And if you're thinking about doing spring cleaning like I'm trying to think about doing spring cleaning, here's a reminder on some fire safety tips. I find this one very interesting, by the way. And it's safety with old oily rags. What do you do with those things? Have you ever thought about that? I have. Spring cleaning or painting this weekend, be sure to carefully dispose of your rags. The oils commonly used in oil-based paints and stains release heat as they dry. If the heat is not released in the air as the rags dry, the heat can build up and potentially cause a fire. You can download this tip sheet by going to this link, which we share the links where we get all of our stories from. That's Sparky the fire dog. But yeah, never put all those things together. Let them dry out before discarding them because they can cause fires. And be safe, just in general, when it comes to fire safety. Have a great day, everybody.